Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another driving video, a community drive. So we're leaving the compound of the Birds Auto right here on Molynes Road. A very massive complex. You know, at first when it was being built, thought it was a BPO, you know, based on the size and you know how the BPOs are designed. What I'll do as well, I'll try find an old video that I did on this Birds Auto so you guys can have a better look. So I'm in the Molynes area and we're gonna go on a community drive. That's the plan for today. So if you're new to the channel, if this is your very first video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. And even if it's not your first video, you know, subscribing is completely free. Trying to get to 20,000 subscribers, we can do it. Alright, so we're in the Cassia Park area. I'm gonna take this left turn. It leads to a smaller type community, which eventually leads to a dead end. So, as much as I can, I try to always go to, you know, a new place. So I was over by Bert and I'm saying, hey, why not cover this community? You know, so I always try to show you guys somewhere new, somewhere you may not have been before, somewhere you may not have gone for a while. And as usual, if you grew up in this community, if you used to live in this community, if you know someone that lives in this community, definitely let me know as well. So this area is Moreton Park, right outside of Cassia Park. Not a community that stands out a lot. It has decent sized houses, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. Some of them get some facelifts, some of them have been renovated. Not the best of roads, but you know, seems to be the complaint every day. So Moreton Park, that's where we're at. Just showing you guys around as usual. And just remember to leave your comments. So this seems to be Moreton Place. Alright, so as I did mention, it leads to a dead end. I think behind somewhere here is a big gully. So, you know, this is the cutoff point. But most of the lots are very big. And 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. Lots of land space as well. So continue enjoying the drive. As I said, it's another community drive touring the Moreton Park community, and then we'll go around to a section of Cassia Park. So you guys can definitely stay tuned for that. So now we're in the Cassia Park area. So we're gonna take the left here. Then this road can bring you down onto Molynes Road, which brings you onto the intersection of Molynes and Waltham. And then to the left brings you back to Red Hills Road. This right turn can bring you into Halfway Tree as well. Alright, so we're gonna take the left right here over the bridge and look at sections of this Cassia Park community. So the road starts out good, but you know, when you go in a little bit further, you guys will see for yourself. Alright, so this is a community right outside, right in the Cassia Park area, close to where we're coming from. It's just divided by the gully. So stay tuned and enjoy this drive through this community. And as usual, if you have ever lived here, let me know. If you grew up here, let me know. If you know someone living in this community or Moreton Park where we're coming from, let me know as well. Alright, so a very big 2-story house going up. Massive woodland space. And I can bet they're gonna rent it out to multiple tenants for sure. Alright, when I talk about road is bad, you know, this is bad road. Most of it is not even asphalt, it's really stone, because all the asphalt is gone. And then for years these roads are like this with no improvement. Not sure why they remain like this for so long, but they're completely neglected. We have Cresta Avenue on the right. Alright, so these houses on the left would have the gully running behind them. Alright guys, so it's just a quick drive through two different communities. We're coming from Moreton Park, and then we looking at communities in the Cassia Park area. So right in front of me would be Red Hills Road, but we're gonna turn here because I'm not going that side. Lots of traffic as well. So this is another decent size two-floor or two-story house in the community. Remember to share your thoughts. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video as well so other persons can see. So thanks for watching another community drive, and I'll see you on another one.